More repatriated Australians from India have again tested positive as the number of active COVID cases in the Territory climbs to 48.
The majority of those, 46, are being cared for at the Howard Springs site by our AUSMAT team, but 2 people are being cared for in Royal Darwin Hospital.
With health authorities expecting even more cases to be detected in Howard Springs, today the head of the specialist AUSMAT unit was brought out to reassure Territorians.
We do have everything completely under control and the environment is safe.
More than 1 in 10 people on recent flights from India have now tested positive, a scenario which could lead to further reductions in arrivals.
If we get to a particular point, say in excess of 10 or 12%, we would slow down the flights and indeed be very, very cautious in terms of how many more people that we actually took on.
At Royal Darwin Hospital, the Health Minister says there's no risk to the community from a second breach of protocol in recent days. This time it was a paramedic involved in transportation.
We have had 2 breaches of PPE which have been identified and protocols have been put in place, and of course the situation has been clinically reviewed.
Another new protection protocol introduced this week. Bus drivers transporting overseas arrivals will now be subject to routine coronavirus tests, and there are more restrictions for West Australian travellers. Anyone now in the NT who was on Wednesday's Perth to Melbourne flight carrying a positive COVID case will be sent to Howard Springs. Authorities say the COVID surge in the facility won't affect its planned expansion, although the majority of international arrivals won't be coming from India. Nicholas Hines, ABC News.